Hello scholars, welcome back to our next video of GK. Today we are going to start our unit 7, Multiple Intelligences. As you can see, here it is given exercise number 36, Celebrated Composers. Here we have to match the pictures of these famous music composers with their descriptions. So here we will read out the descriptions and will match according to them. So let's start with our question number A. He composed music for movies like Titanic, Troy, The Mask of Zorro and Avatar, etc. Can you tell the name? He is James Horner. It is given in option 6. Please write 6 in front of A. Now let's see number B. Classical composer of late 18th and early 19th century Europe, who is considered among the greatest musicians of all times. The answer is Beethoven. It is given in option 4. Now let's see number C. Great classical composer of Assam, who was also a Dada Saheb Phalke Award winner. He was Bhupen Hazarika and it is given in option 5. Now let's read out number D. The all-time great composer of 18th century who was born in Salzburg, Austria. His Symphony number 25 is among his most famous musical works. He was Mozart and it is given in option 1. Now let's read out number E. He was a famous composer and was lovingly known as Panchamda in the Indian film industry. Yes, you are right. He was R.D. Burman. It is given in option 3. Now let's read out number F. Known as the Mozart of Madras, this Indian film composer has given some great music to the people. Most recent of his works includes music in the movie Slumdog Millionaire. Yes, you are absolutely right. He is A.R. Rahman and it is given in option 2. So, like this we have completed exercise 36. Now, let's move to the next exercise. So here is our exercise number 37, Great Artists and Sculptors. Here we have to answer these questions related to some great artists, sculptors and their creations. So let's start with our question number 1. This is a famous painting created by Italian painter, sculptor, musician, architect and scientist Leonardo da Vinci. Can you name it? Yes, it's Mona Lisa. Now, let's see the next. This famous sculpture situated in the Vatican City was created by the great sculptor Michelangelo about 500 years ago. Can you name this sculpture? It is Pieta. Now, let's read out the third one. This self-taught sculptor of India is famous for building the rock garden of Chandigarh. What is his name? Can you tell the name? Yes, he is Nek Chand Saini. Now we'll read out number 4. This is a famous painting of Pablo Picasso, the greatest artist of 20th century. Here he has depicted a lady both from the side and from the front at the same time. What is the painting's name? It is Dora Maar. Now let's read out number 5. He was an Indian painter who in the last years of his life became a citizen of Qatar. He created more than 50,000 paintings on varied themes including Hindu gods and goddesses. Can you name him? He was M.F. Hussain. Now let's see the last one. This is a famous painting of Raja Ravi Verma, a painter from the state of Kerala. This painting shows a famous character from the great Indian epic Mahabharata. Can you name the painting? It is Shakuntala. So scholars, like this, we have completed this exercise also. Now let's move to the next. So scholars, here is our exercise number 38, famous dancers. We have to identify the dancers and write the correct alphabet against their names. So I'm giving this to you as your homework. And after doing it, you can check your answers from the PDF given in the link below. Okay, now let's move to exercise number 39. Our exercise number 39 is great poets. We have to identify these great poets and write their names in the blanks. So let's start with our question number 1. One of the greatest romantic English poet of the 18th century, the Prelate and the Tintern Abbey are among his famous works. He was William Wordsworth. Please write his name here. Now let's see number 2. The great Sufi poet of 13th century Persia. His major work is known as Diwan-e-Kabir, which contains most of his ghazals and couplets. Can you guess the name? He was Rumi. Our question number 3 is Sanskrit poet and dramatist of ancient India, most known for his famous poem Meghdutam and play Abhigyan Shakuntalam. Can you tell his name? Yes, he was Kalidas. And you know, scholars, Kalidas was a Sanskrit poet and dramatist, probably the greatest Indian writer of any epoch. Now, let's move to the next. The most famous Urdu poet of India with the pen name Asad, who lived during the time of British rule. His ghazals continue to be sung by modern ghazal singers. He was Mirza Ghalib. Now, let's see the next one. The great English poet of the 16th century who inspired many famous English poets in the coming centuries. His most famous work is the epic poem The Faerie Queene, which is in 6 volumes. He was Edmund Spenser. Now, let's read out the last question of this exercise. Popularly known as Gurudev, he was not only the first Indian but also the first Asian to receive a Nobel Prize. Among the most famous works of this Bengali poet is his collection of poems Gitanjali. Yes, he was Rabindranath Tagore. So scholars, we have completed our exercise number 39 also. Now let's move to our next exercise. So here is our exercise number 40, authors and their famous books. We have to match the authors to their famous works by drawing lines. Okay, so let's start. Ian Fleming. Do you know which is the famous work of Ian Fleming? It is Casino Royale, the first book of the James Bond series. It is given in option C. So what we will do? We will write C in front of 1. Okay? Now let's see number 2. William Shakespeare. What is the famous work of William Shakespeare? Yes, The Merchant of Venice. Now let's read out number 3. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. The famous work of Arthur Conan Doyle, Scarlet. It is given in option G. A Study in Scarlet, first book of Sherlock Holmes series. So write here G. Now let's read out number 4. Mark Twain. The famous book of Mark Twain was The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It is given in option I. Now let's read out number 5. Robert Louis Stevenson. So the famous book of Robert Louis Stevenson is Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. It is given in option H. Now let's read out number 6. C.S. Lewis. The famous book of C.S. Lewis is Chronicles of Narnia and it is given in option E. Now we'll read number 7. J.R.R. Tolkien. So the famous book of J.R.R. Tolkien is The Lord of Rings and it is given in option A. Now let's read out number 8. Ernest Hemingway. The famous book of Ernest Hemingway is A Farewell to Arms. It is given in option J. Now let's do number 9. Jane Austen. The famous book of Jane Austen was Pride and Prejudice and it is given in option B. So we'll write B in front of 9. Now let's see the last one. Leo Tolstoy. The famous book of Leo Tolstoy is Anna Karenina. It is given in option F. So scholars, with this exercise we have completed our unit 7. Now in our next video we will do our unit 8. Okay? So till the time, please complete all the exercises of unit 7 and complete the homework and then check your answer from the PDF. Okay? So goodbye scholars.